master needs rice. But it's so dark in there. Is anyone there? Huh? Snake! There's a snake! Help! It's huge! Master, save me!
What is wrong, Anne?
Snake! A giant cobra in the corner!
Let's have a look.
Be careful, Master. It's going to bite.
Is this your scary monster?
I guess my imagination went wild.
Fear is born in the darkness of ignorance. When the light of truth shines, fear disappears.
I understand. I need to turn on the light before screaming.
Fear is often just imagination.
Subscribe to Shine Your Light.